The natural vegetation categorized into broadly into three groups: forest, grasslands and serves. What do you mean by forest? Forest refers to an extensive area of land covered mostly with the trees. They grow mostly in the areas of heavy rainfall. How can you define the term forest? Forest refers to an extensive area of land covered mostly with trees. They grow mostly in the areas of heavy rainfall. Next is grasslands and third is serfs. There are three types of natural vegetation: forest, grassland and serfs. In forest, we will discuss about the tropical hardwood forest, Mediterranean forest, temperate softwood forest. The grassland, tropical grassland and temperate grassland, and serfs are also categorized into two groups: desert vegetation and tundra vegetation. In previous classes, we have already discussed about the distribution of vegetation in class 7. But tropical grassland, we have already discussed about the grassland. You have already know about the tropical grassland, temperate grassland, desert vegetation and tundra vegetation. In this class, we will discuss about the different type of forest. The forest is mainly categorized into three groups. Before starting the topic forest, we will shortly discuss about the factors which affect the growth, type and density of plants. First of all, the main determinant of the vegetation of an area are rainfall and temperature. After that, topography or slope of the land, type of the land and thickness of soil, fertility of soil, amount of humus of soil also affect the vegetation of a particular area. So first of all, we can see that on the world map, in the areas where rainfall is very heavy, the forests are thick and dense. As the rainfall decreases, the size and density of trees also reduces. In cold areas, and how the temperature affect the climatic condition type of vegetation. In cold region, growing season is very short because these areas receive very few amount of solar energy, and therefore plants occur in scattered patches in the form of mosses and lichens. Now topography, that means slope of the land, and also determine the type of vegetation, and thickness of soil, humus also affect the vegetation of particular area.